everybody, and welcome back to another video. It is Happy Prepper, and today we're going to be unboxing some fan mail sent from his Way Homestead. Their channel will be linked in the description below and in the cards. And before we open this package, I already opened it, but I wanted to show you because I want to do a series of opening fan mail because I really appreciate all your support. I appreciate all the people who subscribe to me, all the people who comment, all the people who help me learn new things, and especially the people who send me really cool stuff. So that's why I wanted to create this series. I love all your support. His Way Homestead's channel will be linked in the description below and in the cards. I think they just reached 1,000 subscribers, so congrats. But go check out your channel. So like I said earlier, I already opened this package, but wanted to share it with you. And also, if you send me fan mail, it will be featured in a video. So I got a personalized letter. I think it's more private. And yeah, it's more personal. I got a rabbit's leg, which I think this is actually pretty cool because it's it's a rabbit's leg and it's good luck. A lot of people say, and I think it's pretty cool. Then these, really excited for. These are freeze-dried marshmallows and freeze-dried Skittles. These look super good, so I can't wait to try them. So thank you for watching this really quick video. I just really want to thank all the people who send me stuff because that's just I'm speechless because I've gotten fan mail in the past and I've thanked the people, but it's crazy that people are sending me stuff. 2 years ago, I wouldn't even imagine that people would be sending me fan mail and sending me stuff. So thank you guys so much. So please smash that like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Share out our videos so we can grow. We are almost at 6,000 subscribers. We're probably about, I think, 150 subscribers away, So, yeah, just share out our videos and smash that like. Actually, no, destroy the like button and subscribe to Happy Prepper. Happy Prepper out.